Behold your shattered king.
We have a king but Caesar.
You hypocrites! You hate us more than him!
We have a king but Caesar. Crucify!
I see no reason. I find no evil. This man is harmless, so why does he upset you? He's just misguided, thinks he's important. But to keep you vultures happy, I shall flog him!
Crucify him! Crucify him! Crucify! 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 Crucify him! Crucify him! Crucify! 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 Crucify him! Crucify him! Crucify! Crucify! Crucify!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39! Where are you from, Jesus? What do you want, Jesus? Tell me. You've got to be careful. You could be dead soon. Could well be. Why do you not speak when I hold your life in my hands? How can you stay quiet? I don't believe you understand.
You have nothing in your hands. Any power you have comes to you from far beyond. Everything is fixed, and you can't change it.
You're a fool, Jesus Christ. How can I help you?
Pilate, crucify him, crucify him, remember Caesar. You have a duty to keep the peace, so crucify him. Remember Caesar, you'll be demoted, you'll be deported, crucify him. Remember Caesar, you have a duty to keep the peace, so crucify him. Remember Caesar, you'll be demoted, you'll be deported, crucify him. Remember Caesar, you have a duty to keep the peace, so crucify him. Remember Caesar, you'll be demoted, you'll be deported, crucify him.
Don't let me stop your great self-destruction! Die if you want to, you misguided martyr! I wash my hands of your demolition! Die if you want to, you innocent pup!